Let's look at her. Let's look at her. Let's look at her. Let's look at her. Hey y'all, it's your girl Catherine Gage, aka KG Beauty Within, your midwife dreamer and catalyst of change. And here I am again with another Love Me wig review. And this time I am not going through the box. You all know that Luvme Hair give you a lot of goodies, so I'm not gonna go through all of the box, and the description of the wig is gonna be in the video. I'm just gonna give you my review of her, and this time I'm reviewing her on my hair. I just got her today. I actually had a special where I got two wigs for $159. So Luvme Hair always is giving you discounts. They're always giving you special deals, especially if you're a part of the VIP club like I am. You have points and all that. I went over that in my last video. I'll link that card in the video. But this one here is a Yaki. This is a Yaki, a put on and go. And as you know, it always have the elastic band, which is what I love. The elastic band that holds your unit in place. It also have two combs on the side and a comb in the back. And this side, I decided to just do something a little different. Now, I will let you know I did have to adjust the bangs. The bangs were a little bit too long for me, and I'll show you pictures of how it came in the box. All that'll be in the video throughout. You will see all of the goods there. But I absolutely love her. She feels like my real hair. She is human hair. She's glueless. And she is just beautiful. She's beautiful. Now, this has the brown highlights in it. You do have a choice on different styles that you can do, or different colors in this wig. It's Yaki, and it just feels so real. I absolutely love her. I really do. Look at how this is how she do when you move her. This is why I love it, because it's glueless, and it is not, you don't have to worry about it coming off. And I love these wigs. I love these units because they are beginner friendly. So if you have never tried Luvme and you want to try a unit, these are the perfect units to try, because it has the elastic band. It also has the clips, and you pretty much do not have to do a lot to them. Now, the one I just reviewed a couple of weeks ago, I did have to work. Now, the curly ones, I have found out that you do have to put in some work. I had to put in some work for her. I also purchased from Luvme, I purchased their wig renewal hair oil. And I have already put some on my hair. And you all, it is just really, I'm going to put just a little bit. It's just really nice. It gives it a nice luster. Let me put some, just put some. This is how she looks. This is how she looks. It's just a gel. And you can just, put her down just to give your hair, if you have your unit and it needs to have a little luster, then I got the oil this time, just to give it a little luster, a little sheen. And if you see that your unit is needing some help, then you can utilize this product. This is a 1+2+3 oil blend, supreme penetrating benefits. So I purchased that from Luvme, and I just absolutely love this install. Let's do the test. See there? Let's do that test. I love this. I absolutely love this rat tail comb. I got her from the last time. And so this one here is, you can just, this is going to be for the woman that is busy, the woman that's working, the woman that wants to go out. Just put on and go. It's a wear and go glueless unit. And so I just absolutely just she's just beautiful. What y'all think? Y'all know I love the brown. Y'all know I love the blonde and brown highlights. This one is has the brownish blonde highlights, and y'all know I absolutely love this. This gives me the feel of like, if you know how sometimes you get a quick weave. This gives the feel of like a nice quick weave. You know, the nice quick weave. And I love that the fact that the combs, I got the combs in now, they're not hurting me. I don't feel them. And this is just giving so much sophistication. I absolutely love her. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. How do you like her? Have you ever tried a Luvme wig or any type of wigs? What wig do you normally go to? Let me know. Let's talk about it. You know, I've been doing these reviews, and I really, really, really do love Luvme. I'm going to get the courage. I'm going to get the courage, y'all. I'm going to go to another unit, another company. I'm going to get the courage. But right now, I am just in love with Luvme. I really do love them. They're beautiful. It's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. I will show you this. This one here did come in a different box this time. The box was a lot longer, and so I did like that. And I also like how they had her on this wig stand here, because she was a lot longer. So I've never this is my first time ordering a longer one. This is 12 inches, and so I don't normally go very long. I like short. I normally do like short. I may get a little courage and try to do a longer one, like a maybe a 20-inch. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how we do with this one first. But my overall impression is that she is beautiful. I did have to adjust the bangs because the bangs were like way down here. And when you see the description and everything, the pictures and everything that I took, you're gonna see how I had to adjust it. So I did have to adjust it just a little bit to my liking. And one thing I like about this is because if I want to, I can swoop her over. But I really just think that I'm gonna leave her like this. I can do a flat iron. It's 150% density, so I will be able to use like a flat iron. You don't want to get it too hot, but I will be able to use a flat iron if I want to, or if I wanted to curl the ends. I could get a flat iron, but really I just like her the way she is. So this is her. Let me know how you like her. I am just so in love with Luvme. I really do love their wigs. So this is my third one, and I just love her. So this is my review of the Luvme wigs, and you all let me know let me know what you think in the chat, and stay tuned for my next review. And then I'll be bringing other things to the channel as well. So right now I'm just on a review of wigs, or units, installs, thing, but I'll be doing different things. I'll switch it up. This is an easy install. I didn't have to do any work at all, but just put her on and go. So if you want something where you can just put on and go, then this is what you would get with Luvme. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.